The beautiful of the Apsara lady dancer that they carving on the Angkorwat stone wall. More than 1,800 Apsara. So very intricate and decoration, beautiful hairstyle. Angkorwat is the biggest Hindu monument in the world. It was built in 1113 to 1150. Just took time 37 years to build the temple. So very impressive and become a World Heritage Site in 1992 that listed by UNESCO. On 14 in December, this biggest religious monument in the world that built on a land area almost 162 hectares. I'm Bun Bun. I'm a special English tour guide at the Siem Reap, Angkor, Cambodia. I can organize very good trip for you. I'm also professional photographer, so I know very clear in this place and also avoid crowd. Please come to see and get to know. Thank you very much.